Having a backup is a good general rule of thumb. We have so much essential data on our devices. You can choose to back up your iPhone or iPad manually, but it's much easier to rely on an automatic backup. It's possible that you'll encounter some issues when backing up to iCloud now and again. Here are some ways to troubleshoot the problems. Welcome to Ellen's Tips for iOS. If you haven't subscribed, do it now so you don't miss any new videos. Let's get started. This is what gets backed up to iCloud: your photo library, documents, home configurations, and settings, as well as app data. All of this will be backed up to iCloud. When you restore your iPhone or iPad, the data you have backed up should be restored to the device, and it may take a few hours to do so. Let's make sure iCloud Backup is enabled. Maybe you don't have it turned on. That can happen to any of us. Double check your backup settings. To do this, we'll enter into Settings, and we'll tap on the banner across the top, and now we'll tap on iCloud. Then scroll down until you see iCloud Backup. Toggle that switch on, and your iPhone will automatically, or your iPad will automatically back up every night as long as you're connected to power, the iPhone is locked, and you're connected to Wi-Fi. Let's check to make sure you have enough space before backing up. Apple still only offers a measly 5 gigabytes of free storage space for all of your iCloud accounts. That's barely enough. I have way more storage to back up. I used to pay $2.99 to receive 200 gigabytes of iCloud storage. Now I've upgraded to 1 terabyte. What you purchase is totally up to you. Just make sure you have enough space to back up your devices. If you don't have enough space in your iCloud account, your backups will fail. Here's how to check your storage. First thing we'll do is we'll launch the Settings app. We'll tap on the iCloud banner. We'll tap into iCloud. And now tap on Manage Storage. And here you'll see Backups listed. Tap on Backups. And then choose the device that you want to see the next backup size. I'm just going to pick my iPhone. And as you can see, my next backup size is 216 megabytes. And below you'll see a listing of all the apps backing up data. And if there are apps that you don't need to back up the data, you can toggle those switches off. Scroll through and make sure that whatever you need backed up is toggled on. If you have an error message telling you that the backup failed, check the following: that you're connected to Wi-Fi, that you're running the latest version of iOS or iPadOS, and maybe even try a different Wi-Fi network if it's available. Once you've checked those previous settings, you'll want to try a manual backup to iCloud. And to do that, tap on Settings, tap on the iCloud banner, tap on iCloud, scroll down to Backup, tap on Backup, and then you can just tap this Backup Now. If you do and you receive a message at the end, hopefully it will say to you, you don't have enough storage to back up, and then you'll know that you'll need to purchase a little more storage. That's pretty much it. If you're having or have had issues with iCloud backups, make sure to try these steps. The most common reasons are you're out of space or your device was not connected to a stable Wi-Fi connection. If you're still having issues, drop a message in the comments section and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.